Doug teaching Patrick how to clean a fish. What do we have there, Doug? What kind of?
We've got rainbow trout.
Rainbow trout still bouncing around.
Fresh from the creek.
Let's see a picture of that close up. Let me just get. Oh, there we go.
Looks like it came right out of the Vaughn section of fish.
Back here. Oh yeah, that's beauty.
Can I feel it? Mm-hmm. He's stiff.
Wow.
A little bit, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna take our knife, cut right in here.
Up or down?
I usually put it down here, and then we cut towards. I usually make a little cut here, and then you can kind of get your thumb in there.
Don't let it go down the drain.
We won't. Cut up towards these little fins here. See that?
Do you want the plug?
No, we want that to flow. And then we have our thumb in there to hold it. Now we can keep cutting all the way up till we get to
there.
this section here.
There.
Yep. Stop our knife.
Can we wash out the blood?
And then we're going to open this up here.
Yeah.
Like that. So one pin.
This would be a good biology lesson for you, Pete, because that's inside. That's the work, the inner
Wait, I
workings.
want to see the inner.
You're going to see them when I take it out. So now here's the trick. You grab the gills, right? You can kind of pull this neck back a little. And you can grab these gills,
Yeah.
pull it loose, and then the whole thing, if we get it right, should all come out in one strip.
Oh, awesome.
Like that.
Wow.
That is fine.
I've never seen that done.
And now look at this.
That rest is meat, right?
See that black part?
Is that a spine?
No. Well, the spine's, yeah, under there. But we're going to take that and get that out. That's a little bit of blood and stuff. So we're going to take our thumbnail and just kind of scrape along there. Rinse that out. So it's clean. And now we got a cleaned,
God, you made that look so simple, Doug.
yeah,
Awesome. I want to do one.
doesn't take long.
Wait, can I hold him? I want to feel it.
Yep.
He's so light.
All right, your turn. Here's a nice little fish for you. So I'll help you cut it.
We need a board.
Which one's the knife sharpest?
Where's the cutting board, Mom?
So we don't want to hold the knife like that. Hold it like this. Get a good firm grip on it. Yep. Now just gently poke it in there. Perfect. Yep. And then cut upward a little. Try to stay right between the fins. A little more. There. That's good. Now you're gonna put your thumb right there. Right, and your other fingers go down like that. There you go. Now turn the sharp edge that way.
Where's the sharp edge?
This edge, right? And we're gonna keep cutting forward. That way, your fingers are out of the way, so you won't be cutting your fingers. That here.
Right down the center, Pat, to the tender there, probably.
Yeah. You don't have to go too deep, just enough to. Yep. Keep going. Yeah, the knife isn't super sharp, so it's hard, but. Go all the way up to the point there.
Why is it bleeding yellow?
So see how there's a little yellow? That means you went a little too deep and you punctured the organs, and so that stuff leaked in, so we don't want too much of that. We're going to break this here, and then we can break the other side. Go ahead and reach in here, give it a good pinch, and pull it apart. There you go. Then we'll pull the head back a little, and now you grab right here where the gills are on this side. Get a good grip on it, and then we'll just pull it down.
I don't like this part.
Wait, hold on.
I feel his teeth.
No, that's called the gill rakers. His teeth are actually right here. So all you have to do is break that apart there, just like you did the fins. You get a full grip like this with your fingers.
But I don't like feeling
And squeeze and just pull.
Go ahead and pull. All right, that was easy, Pete.
Now grab onto.
It looks like his jaw.
Grab onto these here and then just pull the whole thing down.
These?
Yeah, but all with your hands, so you're not 2 fingers. You want to pull off so you get all the guts going down with it.
All right.
There you go.
Take a look at them guts. Inside that is where the liver is. That looks like a liver right there, isn't
What's
it?
this?
But if you find the stomach, yeah, there's a little liver right there, and then if you find the stomach, and there's the heart. Look at that.
Oh,
If you
wow.
find the stomach, you can see what he's been eating.
Yeah, you can see what kind of bugs he's been eating.
All right, take your fish. Don't worry about your hands. You gotta take your fish and rinse it off. Yeah, if you turn it downward a little, that'll help rinse the.
Turn the water. Well, you want the water pressure up, or you good?
No, that's good. That's all we need. Now you're gonna take your thumbnail, and dig it in there, and scrape out the gunk right there.
I can't.
Go this way, like forward. Put your thumb like that.
Oh.
There you go.
I feel like I'm doing surgery.
It kind of is. And
But the person's
rinse out all that. And if you have a little there, you can pull that out. Might have to grab it. You can throw that in there.
Was that his spine?
Yep.
Small.
All right, you got your first clean trout.
Well, what do I do with the head?
Hold it up for Grampy, and
Let's see there, P.
you can even kiss him if you want.
What? No.
All right, he's ready for.
Someday you're going to appreciate this, P, when you learn how to catch, clean, and cook.
Yeah.